Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fudge. Start by lining an 8x8 pan and chopping chocolate into small pieces for even melting. Melt chocolate and butter over low heat, then whisk in sweetened condensed milk and a pinch of salt until glossy and smooth. Pour into the prepared pan, smooth the surface, and chill until firm. Slice into squares and store airtight for the best texture. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fudge. Combine quality chopped chocolate, butter, and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk in a heat-proof bowl. Warm gently over simmering water, stirring constantly until the mixture is smooth and cohesive. Remove from heat, stir in vanilla or mix-ins like nuts or sea salt, then transfer to a lined pan to set and cool completely before slicing. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fudge. Quick recommendation: if you hate sweeping up cocoa and crumbs, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for smarter, hands-free cleanup and voice control convenience. It handles messes while you cool fudge, and its mapping keeps it efficient around chairs and cabinets. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fudge. Keep heat low to prevent grainy texture and stir gently rather than whipping in air. If your mixture becomes grainy, a tiny splash of warm cream or butter can smooth it out. Work quickly and gently. Chill in a cool spot until fully set, then cut with a hot knife for clean squares. Store separated by parchment to prevent sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.